Hi, this is Dan with Super Bright LEDs, and today we're going over the Keilton Network Lighting Control app and how to set up your lights. The Keilton Network Lighting Control app is available from both Google Play and the Apple Store. This app will also require access to your network and Bluetooth, and at points may make use of your device's camera. For larger properties and more complex lighting setups, you'll want to plan out the different areas of your lighting controls. This app makes use of zones, which are large areas consisting of multiple groups of lights. These can be different buildings or floors in your building. Then there's groups, which can designate different rooms or areas. And finally, of course, are individual lights. Before getting into the app, make sure all lights and devices that you want to connect are plugged in and powered on. First, we'll need to make a zone. This will cover the largest area of lights and will be the basis for the lighting system going forward. Click on the More tab in the bottom right corner of the app, then click My Zones. Here you can see all the zones your device is connected to. Click Create in the upper right corner and name your zone. This will create two QR codes that will allow you to easily share control of your lighting system with others. The admin code allows other users access to making modifications to your lighting system, and the user code limits their actions to only turning lights on and off and changing scenes. To add a zone using the QR code, press the Scan or Select QR code button. Then either take a picture with your device's camera or select a code from your device's album. When a zone is selected, you will see that zone's name displayed at the top of the app screen. In the Lights tab, you will see the status of all the lights connected to your device. You can make adjustments to individual lights or add or remove lights. To add a new light, press the plus button in the upper left corner of the page. Your device will begin searching for any unconnected lights or devices available in the area. Tapping the light bulb button will turn the light on and off, allowing you to confirm which light you've connected to. To add a light or lights to your device, press the check mark next to each light bulb and click the Add button in the lower right corner. Once all of your lights have been added, you can organize and sync them by using the Groups tab. On this page, you can designate a selection of lights to all work simultaneously. Use these to quickly adjust the lights in areas or rooms. To create a group, press the plus button in the upper left corner of the page. Name your group, select the lights you want to be included, and then save. Now you can create scenes. Scenes allow you to have preset custom lighting levels or color temperatures if your lights allow. Use these to quickly adjust lighting throughout the day to match your needs. To create a scene, go to the Scenes tab, press the plus button in the upper left corner, and name the scene. Then, check all of the lights or groups you want to use. From here, press and hold on the lights or groups to adjust their brightness and color temperature. Once you've done this for all of the lights, press the Save button. There is also the option to quick create a scene by simply choosing which group to adjust, choosing the brightness and color temperature, and creating the scene. There's another tab in the app for switches. We won't be discussing this tab here because we have a separate video about the Keilton Bluetooth remote that talks about setting that up on your app, so check that out if you need assistance. Finally, the Keilton Network Lighting Control app has the ability to set schedules for your lights, turning them on when you need them and off when you don't. To create a schedule, select the More tab and select Schedule. Press the plus button in the upper right corner and name your timer. In the Scheduled section, you can select which lights, groups, or scenes you want to activate. Next, select what time you want the lights to activate, and whether you want the lights changing to be a long change you may not notice, or a quick change. And that's it. You're now ready to take control of your lights with the Keilton Network Lighting Control app. Be sure to check out our other videos detailing the products such as troffers, controllers, and motion sensors that make use of this app. If you're interested in any of these products and want to learn more, be sure to check out our website at superbrightleds.com.